Hear my words of a story that will turn your life around. Yet this story is not completed. Listen for that final trumpet sound. Jesus was born in a manger, a sinless baby born to change this earth. He grew to be a man that would teach us. We marveled as he spoke about new birth. He walked on water, he made the blind man see. He turned water to wine, brought the dead back to life, and he gave new life to me. In spite of all he did, they hung him on a tree. As a final sacrifice, he died for you and me. The grave could not contain him. He arose, he is alive, and one day soon he'll come again. Be ready and watch the eastern sky at the final trumpet sound. What a day that will be when Jesus comes again for all the world to see. The dead in Christ will rise. We will meet him in the eastern skies. He is coming soon at the final trumpet sound. The final trumpet sound. What a day that will be when Jesus comes again for all the world to see.